Love morning, everyone. Happy Research Day. So, this time we're going to continue our video lessons as regards to writing the significance of the study. So, when we talk about significance of the study, these are the group of individuals who will benefit from your study. So, this is our focus for this video lesson. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing, research in education, or business research, you will always be updated. Okay. So this time, how are we going to let AI assist us in the making of the significance of the study? So this time, let's proceed to Gemini. Okay, as what I have told you, significance of the study. So we are going to mention who are the beneficiaries, who are the groups that will directly benefit, indirectly or directly benefit from our study. So how are we going to prompt AI? So in the study presented above, who are the beneficiaries of this study, and include future researchers. So why we have to include future researchers? Because they are the one who will read our study, and then they could be able to they could be able to benchmark if they wanted to do a study like this. So our study, the findings of our study, the outcomes, the results will actually help them to formulate their study, or help them to have a focus of their study. So after this, we are going to click the prompt. Okay, so here, if you try to look at this, we are now given, who are the beneficiaries of this study. So here, we have the tea shop owners and then managers. We have also here aspiring entrepreneurs in the tea shop industry. We have also consumers. We have also policymakers and local government. So when we talk about policymakers, now this is too generic. So when we talk about policymakers, in the context of your study, we can also have DTI, because DTI supervise the Philippine industry, local government as well. No, so policymakers, it can be done. However, we should have to change this. We have to reword this so that this beneficiary will fit to the context of our study. And then we have now the future researchers. So this is how are we going to have our significance of the study. So ganun lang talaga siya kasimple, if you try to look at this in the study on customer preferences and satisfaction among tea shops in Butuan City, several groups tends to benefit from the findings. And then in the context of there are studies that they are going to arrange their significance of the studies. They will start on the group that will benefit most, that will benefit most of the research. However, in our context, we are going to arrange this hierarchically. So first, of course, if we are going to arrange this in hierarchical order, so we will have first the policymakers or the Department of Trade and Industry, or the local government. After this, of course, the tea shop owners, and then we have aspiring entrepreneurs, consumers, and then last one is actually the future researcher. So that is how are we going to arrange the significance of the study in our manuscript. So I hope this another video lesson helps you to complete to complete your manuscript, especially this is the second last element in the completion of your chapter 1. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless everyone.
Way away.